Hey friends, welcome back to Island Fever Artisan. Today we're going to be making a coffee liqueur. I just want to do a quick shout out to one of my favorite books here, Homemade Liqueurs and Infused Spirits by Andrew Schloss. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I get a lot of inspiration from this book. It's got a lot of cool recipes and just basic things about infusing. This particular recipe we're doing today is directly out of this book. So I didn't make up this recipe, I can't take credit for it, but it's a really good one. And I recommend you do it because you will never buy Kahlua again. It makes a delicious coffee liqueur. It's low cost. You can adjust the levels on how you like it. And I think that's really the way to go. And that's what we all want. So let's get after it. Okay, we're going to zest a whole lemon here. And smash up your coffee beans. I put them in a Ziploc bag. Pour them in. Add your vodka. And you're done. Step one is that easy. We're going to let this infuse for 4 days. What's up, you booze bags? Just a quick interruption here. Did you know that if you subscribe to my channel, you will never get a hangover again? It's true, try it. But while that's infusing, we can make an espresso simple syrup. This is a really cool simple syrup. You can go buy your favorite espresso or make some at home. I just use the instant, cheap stuff. So first, over medium heat, we're gonna add our espresso and our sugar and stir it. Stir this frequently, and then once you start to see those little bubbles form, that's when you want to take it off. It'll kind of turn translucent in the pan. Now that it's been 4 days, we can pour this through a cheesecloth lined fine strainer into a clean glass jar. Nice, look how dark that turned the vodka. Now pour in your espresso simple syrup, give it a stir, and you're done. There's really a million ways to drink this stuff. You can throw some in your coffee, make a white Russian, sip on some in the early afternoon. I've even tossed a bit in an old fashioned, stirred it up, and it came out great. Let me know how you use it. Cheers for 1,000 years.